This is bird 1 from the 5 Animal Frolics. As always, shift the weight. We're going to bring the hands up, not into those crane beaks, just hands up to about shoulder height, not higher. We want to relax the shoulders. And we're going to kick the other leg back. So from the side, leg goes back. Now that we have our leg back, we're going to lean forward very slightly to counter that weight. And then slowly just come back to center, shifting to the other side, arms come down, then arms go up, kick the other leg back. And back down. So we're going to alternate sides here. Shift, bring the leg back, arms up. We're inhaling here, and then coming back to center, shifting the weight 50-50, exhale. Shift other side, inhale, arms up, leg back, and back down to center, exhale. Shifting side to side, find a rhythm that works for you. Keep it slow, keep it controlled, keep it easy, keep breathing. Inhale up, exhale down. Shifting the weight each time. When you put 100% of the weight on one leg, you can much more easily bring up the other leg. And nice and fluid, arms up, arms down, like a flying bird. Nice and easy, inhaling, exhaling, not pushing yourself to where you're feeling uncomfortable. Still feeling nice and calm and relaxed through these motions. Building strength, not tension. And do one more. And back down.